Good morning, children. Welcome to today's Max online class. So in the previous class, we did in the classwork up to number line sums and horizontal addition, isn't it? So number line sums, horizontal addition, all we are finished in the classwork in the previous class, isn't it? Now I'll continue the classwork with the word problems. Word problems. Everybody keep ready the classwork book. Max classwork book. Keep ready. Write it the classwork. Write heading word problems and keep ready the fresh page. Okay. So which book you open, children? Keep ready the classwork book. Max classwork book. Fresh page open. Write heading word problems. In the previous class you have completed up to add-on number line and horizontal addition, all we have finished, isn't it? Today we'll start with the word problems. So after heading, leave a line, then start. Leave one line and write the sum. Meeta has 2 cats. Meeta has 2 cats and Meeta has 3 cats. 3 cats. How many are there altogether? See, like this, they are given the question. First understand. First take out classwork, write heading, word problems. What is this heading? Word problems. W-O-R-D, word. P-R-O-B-L-E-M-S, problems, word problems. Then start in the next line. First sum, Meeta, M-I-T-A, Beta, H-A-S, has 2 C-A-T-S, cats. Meeta has 2 cats and Geeta, G-I-T-A, Geeta, H-A-S, has 3 cats, C-A-T-S, cats, okay? Meeta is having 2 cats and Geeta is having 3 cats. You should find out how, H-O-W, how, M-A-N-Y, many, A-R-E-R, T-H-R-E, there, all together, A-L-T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, all together, okay? Meeta is having 2 cats and Geeta is having 3 cats. Total how many cats are there? You should find out. Leave one line and copy the question. Then copy the answer in the next line. Answer you write in the next line. Meeta has. How many cats Meeta is having? Meeta has 2 cats. Meeta has 2 cats. And Geeta. Geeta has, how many cats Geeta is having? 3 cats. Geeta is having 3 cats. Isn't it? Meeta is having 2 cats and Geeta is having 3 cats. So you should write like this. First line you write M-I-T-A, Meeta has 2 cats. And go to second line, Geeta has 3 cats. So you should find out how many are there total. So you should put here plus symbol. Addition you should do. You know addition? How to do, isn't it? I taught you vertical addition and horizontal addition. All we have taught, isn't it? How to keep it in mind and finger count and write. Now count how many are there total. Write in third line total, T-O-T-A-L, total. How many cats are there? You should find out. 2 in the, see here, plus symbol is there means you should do addition. 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally how many cats? 5 cats. 5 cats are there. Understand? So 2 cats here. So 2 cats Meeta is having. Then Geeta is having 3 cats. Just I'm showing for you. Let's see. Meeta is having 2 cats. Geeta is having 3 cats. Count now how many cats are there totally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total how many cats? 5 cats. Understand how to do this sum? See, once again I'll tell you. Take out your classwork. Then start in the new page, fresh page, write heading, word problems. And then copy the first sum in the next line start. Meeta has 2 cats and Geeta has 3 cats. How many are there altogether? Understand? So then go to next line, write answer. Meeta has 2 cats. M-I-T-A, Meeta, H-A-S has. Meeta has how many cats? 2 cats. Geeta has 3 cats. So total how many cats? 2 in the mind, 5, 3 in the finger, count it. After 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 cats. Like that also you can do. Otherwise, you can draw and that also you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. Understand? Understand? First sum, have you understood, children? Second sum, you should write in the next page. In one page, only one sum. We have recorded and sent through the PDF. Okay, you just see in that how I written in one page, one sum you write. Second sum start in the next page. Okay, I'll erase this. By the time you keep ready the second page. I'll start the second sum. By the time I'll write the homework that side. You can copy today's homework. Okay. Maths. Today's maths homework. What you will do? Do the sums. Do the even sums. So in the previous class, I gave you this one, after sums, isn't it? Before and after sums all finished. Now, today's homework you write in between sums. Okay? In between numbers. Right? In between numbers. Right? In between numbers. In between numbers means what? Do you remember? Middle numbers. I told you while explaining. Isn't it? So right in between numbers means middle numbers. You should write it. Give you 5 sums. Do sums and show you remaining. You should write. So this is today's homework. You should write in the homework. How to do? Write in between numbers. How to do the sums? 0 and 2 between which number will come here? 1. 5 and 7 between 6. 9 and 11 between 10. You should write this. Okay. 15 and 17 between 16. 18 and 20 between 19. After 18, like that also you can think it and write it homework correctly. Today you do this sums in the homework book. Understand, children? Yes. Shall I erase the first sum? Once again, shall I explain this? Then only I'll erase and write the second sum for you. Okay. You copy neatly. Then keep ready the second sum in the next page. Shall I explain one more time this? Yes. I'll tell and give one more time. Then only I'll start. Yes. Shall I say children? Yes. So today we are started with the word problem sum in the classwork. Start the first sum. Write heading word problems. Meeta has 2 cats and Geeta has 3 cats. How many are there altogether? Okay. So Meeta has how many cats? 2 cats. Right in the first line. Go to second line. Right. Geeta has 3 cats. Then count it. 2 in the mind, 3 in the 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 cats. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood? Shall I erase this? Yes. Keep ready the second sum in the next page. I'll erase this and write the second sum. You start in the next page, fresh page, the second sum. Let's start second sum. You also start the next page. Rikky. Ricky. What is this? Ricky has 3 red balloons. 3 red balloons. And Ramya, Ramya. Ramya has 4 balloons. 4 balloons. How many are there altogether? How many are there altogether? So this is the second question. What is the question? See, I'll read again. Second one. Ricky has 3 red balloons. How many red balloons Ricky is having? 3 red balloons. And Ramya has 4 balloons. Okay, Ricky is having 3 balloons. Ramya is having 4 balloons. How many are there altogether? Altogether means total. Total how many are there? We should find out. Okay. So we'll write in the next line. Ricky has how many balloons? Ricky is having 3 red balloons. 3. Then Ramya, write in the next line. 3 balloons. BALLOONS means that is balloons. Okay, next Ramya, RAMYA. Ramya has how many balloons Ramya is having? 4 balloons. Right in the second line this, Ramya has 4 balloons. Then total, how many are there total? We should find out. When you want to find out total, we should add that. So put plus symbol. If you do addition means you should put plus symbol, isn't it? Yes. Now write in the third line, total. Total, how many are there? You should find out. 3 balloons. So count it. 3 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 4 in the finger. Count now. 3 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total how many balloons? 7 balloons. Total 7 balloons. Understand? Yes. See? Once again, I'll tell you. Understand. Ricky has 3 red balloons. And Ramya has 4 balloons. How many are there altogether? Understand? So, write in the next line, Ricky has 3 balloons. And in the next line, Ramya has 4 balloons. Total 7 balloons. So, 3 in the mind, 4 in the finger. Count it. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons. Okay, you can draw the picture and also you can count. Okay, 3 balloons here. Ramya is having 4 balloons. Then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons. Understand, children? This is the second sum. So I gave you first sum and second sum word problems. Then homework you should do in the homework book. This you should write in the classwork, 2 sums. Once again I'll explain this. Then only we'll move to the next sum. Okay. Yes, copy neatly, children. Who are slow, we are sent through the PDF. You can record it. see in the PDF and you can write. Okay. Yes, I'll explain this. And today in the classwork, we wrote 2 sums, word problem sums, and homework you do in the homework. 1 main I have given, do that. After writing 2 sums in the classwork, today classwork enough, close it. After writing second sum, then keep ready the textbook. Textbook we are doing in the previous class also, isn't it? I'll continue the textbook sums. After writing the sum in the classwork, keep ready. Okay. Page number 79. In the previous class, we did up to page number 77, isn't it? So 79, you should keep ready. Shall I explain this sum again once? Yes. Word problem second sum. Ricky, R-I-K-K by Ricky, H-A-S has 3 red balloons and Ramya has 4 balloons. How many are there altogether? So answer, Ricky has 3 balloons. Ramya has 4 balloons. Total count is 3 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons. Understand? Shall I erase this? So again, once I'm saying in the classwork, how many sums you wrote today? Word problems, 2 sums you write it. Then homework main, you copy that one. Now keep ready the textbook, page number 79. Okay, page number 79. Keep ready. Textbook I'm going to start now. Okay. I'll erase the board. By that time, you keep ready the textbook, page number 79. Shall I erase this? Yes. All of you keep ready. Textbook, page number 79. By the time I'll clear the board and keep ready pencil in the hand and while doing the textbook sums also. Okay. Yes. Shall I start the textbooks? Have you opened, children? Yes. Page number 79. Textbook sum I'm doing now. Look at the number line and given below. More than one. One more than. See, before you start this main, I'll explain for you. See, like this, they're given. 5 is just after 4. I'll explain. Don't worry. Copy in the text in your book. Everything is printed. Only you should fill in the boxes. I have told you in the previous class only. 5 is 1 more than 4. Like this, 2 sums they are filled. 6 is 1 more than 1 more than also 3 sums they have printed. 2 is 1 more than 1. There is the homework sums. Okay, children, you copied, I think, isn't it? is here. Then more than 7 is 1 more than so like this, they're printed in the page number 79, isn't it? Few numbers they have written, few boxes they left it blank. You should fill in that box. How to fill? See, for example, you are having 2 balloons. Okay. If you add one more for that, see, one more balloons for that. 2 plus 1 extra. How many totally? 1, 2, 3. Understand? Like that. One more than one means if you are already having what's the number you have 2. One more if you add extra, it will become the next number. That is 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Like that only. You can think anyone. 5, 4 mangoes. You are already having 4 mangoes plus one more extra. One extra. How many? 4 you are already having. One more extra. If you have means total how many mangoes you have? See, 4 plus 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 1 how much? 5. Okay. If you add one more extra, it will be the next number. See, for example, one more you can see. 1 plus 1. How much? 1 you are having already 1 pencil. One more extra if you have means it will become 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Next number. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 10 plus 1, next number. What is the 10 after 10? 10 plus 1, 11. Like that. Understand, children? One more than 1. That only you should do this main. Now, if you add one more than, what is the answer? Shall I start? Yes, see. For some they have written 5 is just after 4. 5 is 1 more than 4. Means for 4, if you add one more extra, it will become 5. 6 is 1 more than 7. Dash is 1 more than 8. This side they have printed already. 8. You should write here 9. 9 is 1 more than 8. 2 is 1 more than 3. Here 6. 6 is 1 more than 5. Means for 5 if you add one more extra, it will become 6. 7 is 1 more than 6. So if you add 6, 1 for 6, it will become 7. 6 plus 1, 7. Understand this page? Just you should fill the answers in the boxes correctly. Whatever, whichever number you want or wrong answers, don't fill up. Fill the answers correctly. Understand this page? Next, keep ready the next page. See. So this is the page number 79. Sums answer. Next, keep ready page number 80. Page number 80. Keep ready. Page number 80. Keep ready. Shall I start, children? Have you all opened? Page number 80. Okay, this page. Page number 80, this page. Pictures are there now here. Right. 1 less than. Now what we wrote in the page number 79, 1 more than. Now 1 less than. So how to do? I'll explain for you. See here. Dash is less than. Pictures all it's given, children. Pictures all I won't draw now. Okay, it's already printed in the textbook. Just answers I'll write. But in the pictures you can count it in your book. Okay, you can count it. Total, how many sums are there in this page? Can you see and tell? Only 4 sums are there. It's easy only. You can count the pictures and write the answers in the box. Yes. Shall I start? Page number 80. First picture. See. What is given here in the first picture? Bag. Bag picture is given. Count it. How many bags are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bags are there. Right here, 5. Then, how many bags are there this side? See in the right side. Right side also you count it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 5 is less than 6. Okay, less than means it is 1 is very less than 5 is less than 6. Okay, less than andre kadme irodu ondukke kadme irodu ondu kadme ide 6. If you are having 6 balloons, 1 if you give to friend, 1 is less, 1 has become less, ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 6 balloons ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ? 5. Understand? So 6 out of 6, 1 is become less means 5 is there. That only we are written here. 5 is less than 6. Count how many bags and you can write it. Next, second picture. Water bottle. Water can is there given, isn't it? Water can is there in the second picture. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are there? 7. 7 is less than 8. Second picture. 7 is less than, and this side also count it. This side also you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 water bottles. Next, come to the third picture. What is the third picture? Pepsi. Pepsi can, isn't it? Huh? Pepsi cool drinks. That one given. How many Pepsi is there this side? 3. 1, 2, 3. You can count in your book, children. This side count 1, 2, 3. 4 Pepsi bottles are there. Next, come to the last sum. Same page, last sum. Lace. Lace chips you like now? Chips, chocolates, all you like more. Ice creams. So, here is given here lace. How many lace packets are there? See? 1, 2, 3. Count it. Have you seen? Yes, count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lace packets this side. And 5 lace. How many packets? Lace packets that side? See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is given. So, you should fill the answers in the boxes. 4 sums are given, fill it. 5 is less than 6, 7 is less than 8, 3 is less than 4, 5 is less than 6. Understand? This is the page number 80. This is the sum of the page number 80. So, next come to the page number 81. Okay? Page number 81. You open and keep ready. Shall I erase this? Then we move to the page number 81. Don't get confused. After writing this page, keep ready next. Page number 81. Page number 81, and I'll do and I'll stop at that. Page number 1. Have you opened, children? See what the picture is given in the page number 81. Have you opened this page? See above eraser. How many erasers are there this side? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 erasers. 7 erasers. Right this side 7 is 1 less than, and count how many are there in this side. This side erasers, how many are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same page, come to down. After writing eraser sums finished, then come to down. Down is given. How many sums? 6 sums are given. See, 6 sums are given. Same page, down. Don't get confusion. I'm writing with the question, that's why you will get confusion now. That's why I'm writing with the question. Check it and write. For some, they are only finished here. Next 5 sums, we should write dash is less than 6. Here, 7 is 1 less than dash. And 9 is 1 less than the said answer is straight. First I am copying the questions. You also keep ready. By that time, I'll explain and write the answers for you. Less than. You should fill the answers in the boxes. Some answers they are written. Whichever boxes they have not written the answers, that we should fill up. I'll explain now. You understand and fill the answers correctly. Okay. So these many sums they are given, isn't it? What you should write the answer? See, 4 is 1 less than 5. First sum finished. Second sum, 5 is less than 5 is 1 less than 6. Next, 7 is 1 less than 8. 9 is 1 less than 10. Then 2 is 1 less than 3. 2 is 1 less than 3. Then 8 is 1 less than, 8 is printed here, isn't it? 8 is 1 less than 9. So fill the answers up to page number 81. Okay. So let's continue the next page in the next class up to page number 81. You should fill up the answers. Okay. It's all textbook sums. What we did, children, up to 81 page to finish the textbook today. Okay. So we did the classwork book, 2 sums, homework book you write up to page number 81 you complete it. Continue in the next class. Thank you, children.